Minute Make Time!
Oh, great! It's Minute Make Time. Come on. Here's what we're going to make today. A glittery box. Perfect for keeping all your bits and pieces inside. Now, to make a glittery box, you will need a round box with a lid, like this, a brush, some glitter, and a special gloopy mixture made from half paint and half gloopy glue. You'll also need some shiny gems and some sparkly stars, which you can get from an art and craft shop. I'll be back in a tick. I've got them. Here they are. Our shiny gem and our sparkly stars. Now, do you think it's possible to make this in just 1 minute?
No way!
Well, I think I can do it, although I will have to be very quick. Don't worry, though. I'll remind you how to do it at the end. Let's make it in a minute! Right, get an old tray or a mat, put your round box in the middle, and the gloopy mixture needs to completely cover it like this. There we go, let's cover the whole thing. You can use whatever colour you like, obviously, but I think blue will look rather good. That's it, around we go. Get a bit more on the brush. There we are. It's messy, this, but it's lots of fun.
Get a move on!
There we go. Yeah, that's looking good. Right, now I can put on the shiny gem in the middle, and now the stars. Now, of course, these will stick because there's gloopy glue in our mixture. There we go. Put that one down there as well. Now, as a finishing touch, let's get some glitter and sprinkle it all over like that. Put some around the side as well. And some around there. Give it a little bit of a shake. And you can just roll the edge in it. And I've done it!
Only just?
Yes, but if you've got more than a minute, why not try some other ideas? How about a yoghurt pot covered in blue glitter and silver gems? You can even make a really big glittery box with lots of gems and shiny stickers on it. Great glittery boxes made in a minute. Why don't you try and make one? Here's a reminder of how to do it. Let's go back to the beginning and take another look. Cover the box with a mixture of paint and gloopy glue. Place on shiny gems and stars. And sprinkle on glitter to finish your fantastic glittery box. Why don't you try and make it in a minute?